have to.
You lost it all?
Yeah.
We interrupt this program to bring you an important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Warner Robins Police Office and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a silver 2003 Jeep Liberty, Georgia tag CSX5096. On July 23, 2023, Tayani Johnson, black female, 1-year-old, was abducted by Calvin Williams Johnson, a 22-year-old black male, 5'7", weighing 140 pounds, and was last seen at 2699 Watson Boulevard, Warner Road, traveling east, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Tayani Johnson or the silver 2003 Jeep Liberty, Georgia tag CSX5096, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the CSN app for iPhone and Android users.
Oh, you poor guy being cooped up all day long.